Hey folks, another unboxing, something that I find intriguing that I really want to try. Summer is coming here in New York, my bikes I'm building. This is from Flextail. It's the Tiny Tire Pump Pro ACS, active cooling system. And it's boasting 120 PSI, endurance, lightweight, waterproof to IPX4, tail lights, and heat dissipation. And I looked at this thing. I did go in the box just to look at it before. But here it is. I love, first of all, the size of this. I mean, if this actually works, which I'm thinking it will, I'm hoping it will, to be able to carry this with you, something that's capable of 120 PSI. Now, I don't know how long it can run at that, right? I mean, you don't need 120, that kind of pressure. If you set it up at whatever your tire is, I don't expect this to be able to do a bunch of tires from flat. When I say flat, like brand new, but certainly a tire that's soft and needs air. This size is amazing. You can throw this in your pocket. You can throw this in your, if you have a motorcycle, your saddlebag, whatever. But to have this on hand, you come out somewhere and your tire is soft, you didn't realize you had a slow leak, a valve stem leak or something, would be amazing. This is the box it came in. I'm trying to... Okay, so what I can tell here is I didn't know what this was at first, but this here allows you to attach this to your bike, and then you carry the pump on your bike. So I was saying to you, oh, put it in a backpack, but you don't need to. It clips right onto your bike, and it's an air pump. I just love designs like this. This is what gets me going. So that's the pump. And what do we have? We have a few things. We have, let's throw this empty box aside. You see it's empty. We have the attachable nozzle, which obviously would be going in here. Right? And this, yep. And this would allow you to, this is what you would use to connect to your valve stem, right? I don't know yet if I see a play. I guess you would throw this in your pocket, because if you're hooking this on your bike and it's hooking in this way, and it's very sturdy, it won't fall unless it manages to somehow. Now, it has a clip to it. It won't fall. It's pretty tight click. I don't know. They should have maybe had some kind of little strap. You click this in on the side of it to ride with it, because you have to carry this. And it also has what looks like an adapter for the front here. And it has the ball nozzle. This is for basketballs, footballs, whatever. So it has a few adapters. Here we go, right? And I'm pretty sure this, let's see. This is going to here, or this, I think the like for the ball, it can actually go into here. Yes, it fits right into the device, right? I think so. Feels that way. Feels like it pops right in here. It has a power button on the back here. It has a light, bike light. So when you hook this to underneath your seat, for instance, you have a light. You have a rear light. Has USB. Let me take that off. Has a display. You can see a display there. You can see it. The light does a few things. Right? It has a display with the PSI and how you set this button here. You can raise or lower the right here. If I think you might be able to see this. Let me get that angle and give you an idea. See, I'm pushing the numbers so you can set it. So I'm going to take it through its paces. It did not come, it came with a reflector too, bike reflector, but it did not come with a manual. I don't know if there's a QR code to it. The back of it just tells you taillight installation, nozzle, inflation mode. But it doesn't really tell you, a full manual, but I guess you don't need it. I like things where you can have a QR code in case you need to look up something. So we'll test it out, see what happens. And once I'm done, you'll be able to read the entire review of my impressions using the link in the description below of this video.